Welcome to the Gonzo Book. I am Jose. Shelly's inside watching some YouTube, and soon it's going to be my birthday. And usually I don't care about birthdays. My birthday is on April 15th. Too many tragedies happen on April 15th. Lincoln was shot on the 14th, and he died on the 15th of April. 1963, I think it was. Titanic hit the iceberg April 14th. It sank April 15th. My mom went to labor on the 14th of April, 1968. And this sucker right here was born April 15th, 1968. 3 tragedies that happened within a little over 100 years. So, hey, what can you say, right? So, actually, there was a few other tragedies, but they're nothing to joke about. So, I'm gonna keep those to myself. Normally, I don't get presents because I tell everybody, no, don't buy me any presents. And when they buy you something, I don't like it. Like one day, my brother bought me Stetson cologne for Christmas, and I'm like, I don't wear Stetson cologne. So I never, it was be in my shelf or in my medicine cabinet for years, and I would never use it. I don't even wear expensive cologne. I wear Jovan Musk for men. Bam, that's it. You get a big bottle like this for $20. That lasts you years. So Jovan Musk is an aftershave too. So after I shave, bam. Every day I just go bam. I'm good. So I tell people, don't buy me presents because I probably is not gonna like. There's only been a few presents that I've received that I actually liked, like my Eagles chair. My 2 daughters bought me a nice Eagles chair, and it was real nice. It wasn't a cheap one; it was a real nice one. And of course, I left it on my porch, and somebody stole it. Sons of I love that chair, and I love it because it came from my daughters. All right, so my wife don't listen, so she got me this. She got me the Ego Power Combo Kit. Ego I already have as my lawnmower, and it comes with a big ass battery like this. Let me show you. Big ass battery just like this. Look at that thing. This thing is huge. And then you turn it on. If you hit the button right here, it shows you if you got power. And this one is full, so I can test out the equipment. But look how big that is. And the charger is just as big. It's huge. Shelly got me this for my birthday, and I appreciate it. The reason why I like this present is because I got it, came home with it, told her, babe, this is what you got me for my birthday. And she goes, yeah? And I said, yeah, I love it, thanks. And she goes, sure, happy birthday. That's it. That's how you do things. You can't surprise me. Let me get it, and then I'll show you what you got me. Plus, this ain't the only thing she got. She got me that Black & Decker Matrix kit, and that was $200. This cost me $250, the combo set, and it comes with another battery and a charger, and that's exactly what I wanted. If she would have got something, I wouldn't have liked it. I'm going to tell you right now, it would have been something that I wouldn't have wanted. And this comes, I picked this one because it comes with an extra battery and charger. So now I have 2 big batteries, so I can go do my lawn, I can trim, I can blow the leaves away without having to wait for that one battery to recharge if the charger goes out. So let's open this baby up. Can you see it? That thing's huge. The one I got now is smaller, but All right, it's 26 volt, so they both are the same. There's one's bigger than the other. Let's see. Let me show you size comparison. They're both 56 volts. This is 2.5 AH, and this is 7.5. But it looks like it has the same connections. There goes the blower. Oh yeah, I'm gonna blow some leaves out of the water. Ta 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 ta. Battery should fit in there nicely. I like it. That's the weed trimmer. Ooh, comes with a pin. See that? There should be a pin somewhere. Let's see. This small piece goes in there, lock it in, and you just screw it in. There's no quick release. You just screw it in there. All right. Got that piece on, nice. I got it. I want to pinch my finger. Oh, that was close. That was on low, this is on high. This is on high. And the high-low button is right there, high-low button. And of course it has a safety lock. The safety lock is so easy, all I gotta do is push it forward. It comes with a little charge, but not much. So that's my weed eater. I want to see if the big battery falls in there. Definitely don't want to use it with this unless you're on desperado mode, because it's heavy. Let's see. Yep. That's exactly how I want it. So I got a big battery and I got a small battery. There you have it. I have my lawnmower's in the my shed. I gotta take that out and clean it out and service it a little bit, maybe sharpen the blades. Snow blower. So what I'm gonna do is keep the box for at least the first couple of times I weed eat, and use my leaf blower just in case it doesn't work. I can put it back in the box and go back to loads. That is what I got, and the information's right here if you're interested. QRF code, I don't know if you can get that. So there you have it. And then the snow blower, the handle, and it has a turbo. Everything. It's blinking red, see that? Here we go. Can you hear it? Your high off button. It's automatic. So that was my present from Shelly. If you go back a few videos on me installing the windows, that's where I showed you my Black & Decker matrix. And it's like, I think 6 tools in one. Yeah, 6 in one, I believe. And so I had an oscillator, saw, a jigsaw saw, and a router, and a drill, and a compact driver. So I had, and a sander, had all those in it. And that was a beautiful gift. And this gift right here is going to help me maintain my lawn a little bit easy. So if you have any questions, comment down below. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you're interested. I'm not twisting your arm. If you're interested, subscribe. Okay. So without further ado, happy birthday to me. It's on Tuesday, April 15th. And I normally don't celebrate my birthday, but when I can get gifts like this, yes. Now remember, don't buy me a gift because I'm probably not going to like it, and I don't return things, so it'll be on the shelf forever. Okay, so don't do that. Just wish me a happy birthday and we'll be okay. So without further ado, we'll see you on the other side.
Happy birthday, keep your dreams alive.